How you doing, folks? It's Trenius. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. So I'm about to give you a powerful law of attraction sleep technique that you can use to have dreams about what you want to manifest. So you're going to be able to manifest while you sleep. A lot of you say, is this possible? Is this possible? Yes, it's possible. Anything is possible. As a matter of fact, you've probably already done it, but you didn't realize that you were doing it. Every night, people go to sleep, and they manifest a dream of something that they were thinking about right before they went to sleep. And then they have the dream and wake up in the morning and like, what was that dream about? The dream was about you dwelling or thinking about whatever it is that you were thinking about before you went to sleep. And you took your mind into REM sleep, and REM sleep remember what you were thinking about like an hour before. And now it's this big, crazy, distorted dream. Okay, folks, now we're about to reverse that and use our dreams to our advantage. This is what dreaming is all about. Using it to your advantage. So that way, when you are awake, you know exactly how to get what you want to manifest. And that's what this is going to do. You're going to be able to get hints and tips and advice and suggestions in your dreams. Now, I'm about to go to sleep here in a second, and I do this every single night. So that's key. Make sure that you do this every single night. Now, you might ask yourself, what do I do, Trenius? What do I do? Listen, this is what you do. Okay. Right before you're about to go to sleep, when you're laying down in the bed, I'm talking about when you cut the television off, when you're not listening to meditation or anything. You're literally laying down in the bed silently, folks. This has have to be done silently. You want to say to yourself, I have manifested, whatever it is that you want to manifest. And then you say, I feel such and such and such and so good about it, this and that. So what you want to do is you want to tell yourself and the universe what you have already manifested, because the key, folks, is to trick your brain. That's why you gotta do it every night. The key is to trick your brain into believing that what you want to manifest, you have already manifested. So that's why you're gonna say, I have manifested. Present tense. I have manifested such and such, whatever you want to manifest. And then you say, I feel and just talk to yourself and tell yourself how great you feel about what it is that you've manifested. Now, of course, you haven't really manifested, but you have to trick your brain into believing that you have already manifested what you want to manifest. So you do this over and over and over, and like you can literally create your own paragraph before you go to sleep about the thing that you have manifested, because it's all about the feeling. After you say, I have manifested whatever you want to manifest, after you say that part, you say, I feel. This is when you can go into like a run-on sentence about all the feelings that you feel, that you see in your mind's eye about the thing that you have manifested. And you want to go to bed, you want to feel really, really good by the time you're going to bed. Okay? Because that's the whole objective. The whole objective is to fall asleep into happiness, in the confirmation that you have already received your manifestation. Now, what's going to happen when you go to sleep is dreams, like every single night. You know what I'm saying? The whole objective is to get what you were saying to yourself to happen in your sleep. So you might have a dream about, you manifesting $1 million, so to speak. Just you manifesting $1 million. You might be dreaming about, you receiving a reward, or like which is symbolic to a check in your dream that you have received the money. And usually your dreams give you hints. Like if you do it right and you do this every single night, your dream is going to reveal to you hints or tips, or you're going to see something that sticks out that you're going to be able to use when you awaken to help you manifest what it is that you want to manifest super fast. Your dreams give it all away. That's the beauty of dreams. That's the importance of dreams. And this is how dreams work, folks. But a lot of people, don't know how to use it to their advantage. Okay, so when you wake up in the morning, the next thing that you must do is you must imagine what it feels like to have what you want to manifest. So once again, you want to create the feeling all over again, but this time you're not even using affirmations. Now you can use the affirmation again like you did before you went to sleep. I have manifested, da 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 da. I feel so good. You can do that in the morning too. You can do this in the morning too, but all you really want to do to give your brain a rest in the morning is, because you got to still kind of forget about it, kind of sort of. So you just want to imagine, yourself, the feelings that you have about the thing that you've already manifested. Just lay there and just awe about it. Just lay there and just awe about, life, and being grateful and just being happy that you've received this manifestation. And just conjure up that feeling before you start your day, before you eat breakfast, and before you fix your coffee. Conjure up that feeling before you do anything, and you will feel extra wonderful for the rest of your day. And like I said, folks, just repeat this every single night. Repeat this every single night. And you don't even really got to meditate no more, because you do it before you go to sleep, and then you do it when you wake up in the morning. So you don't even have to sleep meditation. You don't even have to do that. So now you can law of attract using this sleep meditation that I have told you, folks, and you can manifest while you sleep. Okay, so speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a nice comment below if you're going to do it, or also leave a comment below and let us know, have you actually dreamed about some things that you have manifested later? Let us know, folks. What do you think? And if this video resonated with you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe over here in the bottom right hand corner, because there are new videos coming out every single day, and I don't want you to miss it. I'll see you in the next video, folks. Peace.